Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Montes Art Studio, and as you just saw, that was yesterday's little folk art style card. Today's card is inspired by an image that I took from a long time ago. I went to a museum called Visakaya Museum and Garden in Miami, Florida. And this place was beautiful. It reminds me a lot of Longwood Gardens here in Pennsylvania. And I loved the way this sort of mansion style exhibit was kind of formed into like a garden, very similar to Longwood Gardens. And here's the image. So it was very ornate, very detailed. So what I did is modified it to make it look like it was a Christmas scene. So I tried to keep some of the details a little bit less intricate compared to what the photo was. And I had fun with this one. Again, I end up using my Tombos. I gravitated to them because thinking about the detail that went into this card, I wanted to make things much more easier and a little bit more, I would say, attainable. That's the word. I think I wanted to make it much more attainable. If I had went in with paint, I think it would have taken me twice as long. This painting took me already longer than I expected. So I think the Tombos was the way to go for this one. So far, this series has taught me a lot about illustration. I think I'm very excited to kind of dive into my very own projects in illustration and just kind of be more free. So I've been learning that illustration can be something that does represent your life experience, sort of like this image, or it can be imaginary. For the longest time, I thought that illustration was always imaginary, and that's why I struggled with it, because I'm a reference type of person, and I think imaginary things oftentimes face me with challenges, but I'm kind of contradicting myself because a lot of my landscapes are imaginary, and maybe I just have to practice. I think that's what it really comes down to, is me practicing. So I finished the sketch here and I added some wreaths. I added 2 candles, and instead of the pots, I decided to put Christmas trees there. I also added sort of these garland style wreaths up at the top, imagining this sort of luxurious feeling in this mansion. And to keep things on the neutral side so that we can really focus on the Christmas elements, I kept the house to sort of like that neutral tone that you see here. And I played around with shade and shadow, layering the tombow, and creating sort of a focal point. So if you notice, that image was actually a window, and I turned that window into a door. I can't exactly remember how that upper level looked. I don't even think we were allowed to go up the stairs, if I recall. But I just imagined this to be sort of like a luxurious entry to maybe their dining area. So this mansion was amazing, and that's how I pictured this this mansion to be decorated for Christmas. I would love to go back to see what it looks like during the holidays. But let me know what you think of these little interior drawings. They're kind of my favorite. I think out of all of the series, I've enjoyed the interior drawings the most. I mean, I could be a little bit biased because I am a designer and I am trying to kind of create sort of interior illustrations. So I don't know. I don't know where I'll go with this. Again, experimenting and just learning my style. All right, there you have it. This is day 11. Such a cute little interior drawing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you for the last one on day 12. Bye.